Hi everyone, it's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. So if you guys have been following my channel and my social media, you'll know that I am about to leave to go on a backpacking trip around South and Central America. I actually leave tomorrow, so last minute packing as always. I am going on a one-way ticket. I don't have my flight back to the UK booked. I think I'm going to be there for about 4 months, but there's literally no set plan. If you want to follow along on the adventure, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and also follow my Instagram, my travel Instagram and my TikTok. So before I get into what I'm actually packing, I thought I'd just show you my backpack because there has been a change. I'm not actually taking the same backpack that I took with me last time. It's the forclaz 40 litre backpack. So it is quite a bit smaller than my last one because my last one was 65 litres. If you wanted to go carry-on only, this backpack is suitable for that because it fits the cabin dimension sizes. As you can see, it is quite small, but it has a lot of hidden features and it literally is like the Osprey ones. I think it's been designed to look the same, but obviously it's a cheaper version. So yeah, if you are looking for a more affordable alternative to like the Osprey Fairview, I think it's called, and the other ones, then I definitely recommend this one from Decathlon. It does sell out quite quickly. Like, I had to join a waiting list online, but they emailed me when it was back in stock and I bought it straight away. So yeah, it costs £45, which is actually really good value for what it is. So these are some of the features of this backpack. As you guys can see, it has a lot of different pockets and compartments, so even though it is a smaller size, it's still got a lot of room and a lot of space to pack things in different ways. So I personally think this backpack is really worth it. So I'm going to start out with my clothes. So last night I basically went through my whole wardrobe, tried on some outfits and put aside piles of everything that I think I want to take with me. Looking at it, it does look like it's a bit too much and it's definitely not going to fit in my backpack, but I'll show you what I've put aside for now and then we'll see how much of it actually fits in. So the first pile that we've got is tops. A bunch of these little vest tops from Primark, which are just going to be absolutely perfect for what I need. So I got them in a bunch of different colours. They were only £3.50 each as well. So if you're going travelling or going on holiday, I really recommend some of these because they're actually such good quality for the price as well. So first one that I got is this black one. They're all ribbed and they're double layered as well. I got a white one, need to take the tags off. I got this bright orange one, all exactly the same. I got this blue one, which is a bit different because it's got a square neckline instead of a low cut neck. I got a white one with the square neckline as well, just to make a change from having like the low cut neck. I got this khaki green one. Then I've got this black satin little vest top. It's like a self-tie one in the back, but I really like this. Thought it'd be good for nights out as well. I've got this vest top. It's one I took on my last trip, just from H&M. This one, I packed this for nights out. I've never worn it. It's just a long sleeve black mesh crop top. I thought it'd be nice over like bikinis as well, but got this little crop top from Lounge, which I'm going to take with the matching leggings. They're in the leggings pile. Took this with me on my last trip. It's a little blouse from H&M and I wore it all the time, layered over the top of bikinis. It looks really nice with like denim shorts and a bikini. It is a bit discoloured because I wore it so much in Southeast Asia, but I'm taking it anyway. And then t-shirts, I think I'm just taking this black Oasis one. Got this little white collared vest top from Stradivarius. This will be nice for like nights out as well. It's just a bit fancier. And then this top I wore loads in Southeast Asia. It's just from Primark. Little vest top and it's like an open back one. Again, we'll see how much of it is actually going to fit in. But they're all the tops that I'm thinking. Then the next pile that I've got is skirts and dresses. So first of all, this little play suit. I got this gifted to me from Rebellious, I think it was. I wore this so much in Southeast Asia It's just a little really lightweight play suit, so it's perfect for like tropical weather. Then I've got this green khaki bodycon dress. I posted this on my Instagram. It's from Pull & Bear, but just nice for like nights out again. Got this little two-piece white lace set that I got from Bali with the skirt and the little top. So I've got my white tennis skirt from Primark. I've got a white denim skirt. This is from Pimki. This was like a really staple piece in my Southeast Asia trip. I wore this a lot, and I thought because it's quite versatile, I can wear it for days out and nights out as well. So again, I wore this loads in Southeast Asia. It's the only long like maxi skirt that I've got. It's just from Primark. It's pink and white. Thought it'd be good for like any time that I need to wear a longer skirt. I don't really think that would be a common occurrence where I'm going, because it's not like Southeast Asia where you've got all the temples and stuff, but you never know. And then I've got this yellow floral dress from Cupshe that I really want to take as well. This will be really nice for days and nights out. And then this little orange and pink floral skirt from Primark. And then the next pile, shorts and pants. So first I've got a pair of black cycling shorts. I've got these white mini shorts from Primark. I've got these beige shorts that I wore to death in Southeast Asia, so I really want to take these because I know that they're so comfortable and they go with a lot of things. These are from Cupshe. I've got these new black shorts. I can't remember who they were gifted to me by. I think it might have been Rosewee. I've not worn these before, but I thought they'd be really good for like where I'm going and what I'm doing. I've got my pair of nude cargo pants, which I'm going to be taking. I might be wearing these on the airport day actually, so I'm not sure if I'm going to pack them because I think I'm going to wear them to the airport. Also taking these leggings from Lounge as well. They're quite lightweight, but I thought just have like a comfy pair of pants with me. Oh yeah, I am also planning on taking my elephant pants just because I thought these would be good for like chilling in the hostel. Also for when I do my fake tan, I need to have some kind of pants that fully cover my legs and that I don't care about getting stained that much. So I've got these from Thailand, and then I've got one pair of denim shorts which again I wore all the time in Southeast Asia. These are from H&M. And then my final pile, which definitely needs to be narrowed down, is my bikinis and swimwear. So I've got one cover up, which is this white lace one which I've chosen to take. It's like a white dress cover up. This is from Rosewee. Got this black bikini skirt from Rosewee with a little black bikini top. This one's from Cupshe. And I've got this bikini set, which is a top and a skirt from Cupshe. I really love this one. But then I've got another bikini skirt set, so I need to decide between the two because I don't really need to take both of them. This yellow and pink one, it's a skirt and bikini top. I've got my yellow bikini from Cupshe, which I wore loads in Southeast Asia, so I think I'm definitely taking that one. I've got this little white sarong. This is from Cupshe. This bikini from Cupshe, which is purple bottoms and like a multicoloured top. I've got this mint green bikini. It's from Cupshe again. And then finally, I've got this brand new bikini I got recently from Primark. It's so stunning. It's my new favourite bikini. It's like this blue and orange one. Honestly, it looks amazing. It's my absolute new favourite. If I had this bikini in like 5 colours, that's the only thing I'd be taking. But unfortunately, I had a look in Primark and this is the only one that they've got in this style. So yeah, that's pretty much all the clothes that I've laid out to take with me. Now I'm going to try and start putting it into my packing cubes. So I've got my packing cubes back out. These are the same ones that I took with me last time. These are just from Amazon. Managed to fit everything you guys saw into that one packing cube. Anyway, next I'm going to do like my little health bag, if you can even call it that. I got some plastic bottles as well, but I got these to like decant some of my bigger products into them. I'm gonna start out with all the tablets. Stuff like this was really expensive to get in Southeast Asia. I don't know if it's going to be the same where I'm going this time because I've never been backpacking South and Central America before, but I thought seeing as this stuff is so cheap to get here, I'd rather just take it with me than have to pay a lot of money to buy it there if I need it. And look how light it is really when it's not in the box. I've got a few boxes of these diarrhea relief tablets. These work so well. Really recommend taking these if you're going backpacking. Got a box of these rehydration treatments as well. I need to find the rest of these because I know I've got some left over from my last backpacking trip that I can take as well. But bite and sting cream. I've got plasters as well, quite a few plasters in case I need them. I don't actually take this many tablets like on the regular, guys. It's just in case I need them. It's better to have them because there's nothing worse than getting ill and then not having anything that you need. So got my contraception. Let me work out how much I'll need. I'll take 5 months worth. Got some additional contraception because babies don't backpack. I've got these Barocca energy tablets and these Hydro Boost ones as well, which are also like electrolytes, rehydration things for if you get ill. Really recommend taking some of those. I've got some Strepsils, got some allergy tablets. I don't have any allergies, but you never know. Apparently I've used these, so I must have thought I had an allergy once. I've got this big box of tampons. What I'm going to do is what I did last time, empty them all out the box, and then I'm going to tie them together using some little elastic bands. Watch this trick. If you didn't see in my last packing video, I'm about to show you. So can't remember how many it fits in one band without it breaking, but and there we go. See, all held together nice and tidy and neat, and that'll pack away. So I'm going to do a few of those. I am going to take all of these, the full box, just in case. I don't know how expensive they are there, but I know in Southeast Asia they were expensive and they were hard to find as well. And I don't like being without tampons because I'm just used to using them and that's what I prefer to use. So just got one on its own that don't fit. Maybe I can squeeze it into one, into that one. The only other thing I packed, which you guys didn't see, is my travel towel and my waterproof pack-a-mac. And then also I brought 3 pairs of shoes, including flip-flops. So I'm going to end this pack with me video here. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and leave me a little comment below. If you have any questions about my trip, about packing, about the backpack, you can leave them below or send me a message on my social media and I'd be really happy to help you guys. Also, I hope you guys are excited to follow along with my trip. I honestly cannot wait. So excited to document everything. I'm going to be posting every week on my channel, so make sure you are subscribed and you turn on the notification bell. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you really soon. For watching, bye.